Morning, everyone. Good morning, good day, good evening. Greetings, chat. Well, it's gonna be a great day, I can tell you. We're gonna take it slow, guys, and increase the energy as we go. How do you feel? How's your time? Thank you so much, chat, for joining. Let's get ready. Game's on. We're live. Oh yeah. Good evening. Welcome everyone. Good to see you, chat. Here we go. Posted on my Discord, guys. We're going to talk about it. $12,000 payouts on Lucid. It is ready. It is ready, guys. $12,000, 4 accounts. I'm eligible to press the green button. We have a fresh one here that we passed yesterday, a Lucid Pro. You guys remember we made $9,000 yesterday on a Lucid Pro on a 150,000. And we still have to trade that. I'm going for the 5th, so I like to go 5 accounts. Oh yeah. Finally. And then we're going to look into the markets, but certainly not before you guys go ahead and invite people. As usually, we post pretty much everywhere we are allowed. We're live. Feel free to join us, and keep in mind we gotta hit 180 likes for the $300,000 giveaway. The link is right there to sign up. We're gonna trade and improve. Thank you so much, guys. Good morning. Yeah, thank you. Good luck for the 5th account. Well, I'm going to work on the 5th, and I'm going to work on some fresh evaluations. We're going to work with Blusky. We're going to work with FundedSeat. There is a lot on the table today. Today it was a day of purchases. I bought 3 fresh FundedSeat 100K. Instant funding, bold. Right, so the instant funding, which only has 5% target, and starting with the 2nd cycle, you can request out daily payouts and no consistency. Keep in mind, this is instant funded. I don't know what's the confusion. You want to reach out to me on direct messages on Discord. So it was the day of purchases today. 3 FundedSeat. Instant funding bolt. And then we got into some Blusky. 3 fresh Blusky accounts. 2 of 150K static and 1 of 200K static propel. Static drawdown. We're going to talk about this, guys, today. For Blusky, you got to be signed up in our team to be able to benefit of the discounts. Propel Scrembo 30 is the code. Unlimited use is 30% off. Oh yeah. What about a Nasdaq, someone could say? Well, Nasdaq is having a good time today, moving from the daily opening. A few hundreds of points, and having a very small gap between the daily opening and today's low. So the price action in that section is for a very short amount of time and little points on. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Appreciate it. 200k static is great. Is great. All the money you make is not just profit, it's also additional drawdown. Is great. We're gonna start having green tea and adjust from there nicely. Oh, there's a lot of space here for the price action to hit meaningful levels. We've been respecting so far the higher low structure. We've been respecting nicely so far. Nothing to complain there. Oh yeah. I'd like to look into my FundedSeat for a moment. This is having 1,500 profit. This one is 1,300, and it's having 1,400 max loss. And the other ones are fresh. So we're gonna get started with this one having 1,500. And then here we're gonna get started on Blusky with the 200k static account. Yes, I'm gonna update you guys. There is gonna be an update video. There is gonna be an update video. Twister. Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. We have a lot of the space downwards. Look at that. Ho, 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 ho. Watching out carefully. If we have the ability to form a double bottom here on the 5-minute approach, we're heavily extended, and I wouldn't be surprised to retest the 29,000 easily. Let me turn on my yesterday's and highs and lows. Look at that. We only managed to wick above yesterday's high, but then we have a triple confirmation of the bears for the yesterday's high. Triple confirmation. 192, 190s is really powerful. Really. Well, not many people get it. Not many people get it. That's right. Point. Thank you for your great feedback on my videos. Appreciate it. Thank you for the words. Thank you, buddy. Here we are, guys. Make sure to... Looks like this is cutting off. Yeah, it was cutting off. It was cutting off for a second. Yeah, I'm betting here. I'm betting here for my FundedSeat. I'm betting here for my Blusky. I am bidding pretty much everywhere. Going for my long theory. Well, slowly trading becomes more and more popular, guys. Slowly. I think within the next 10 to 20 years, things will change in a radical way. Trading is going to be one of the most popular activities people will do from their home as a part-time. I think it's going to be one of the most. It is addictive. It is sometimes making money. Not always, sometimes making money. Yet the most important part is certainly there is a process involved here to become a profitable trader. And the wrong expectations people have is one of the main roadblocks faced by the trading communities. Getting started, not going through the learning curve on the right speed and learning the right things are part of this wrong expectations. It is a business if you're getting started, and if you're not part of a community with a daily activity like we are, it's hard to know what to expect. It's hard not to freak out when you lost 20 accounts. Debate traders are funding your payouts. Exactly. But the prop firms do need a lot of money to be made from their live traders, right? So they do have, and they do make money from that one too. They do make money from investments. They do make money. I mean, think about if a prop firm knows the trader is wrong, then what if trading exactly the opposite what your traders are doing? What if you do that? Are you gonna make money by knowing your traders are 90% of the time wrong, or 90% of your community is wrong? Counter trading your base of clients is a recipe of making money. I like this one, guys. Oh yeah, I'm out here for our blue sky. Oh my gosh, what happened, guys? I didn't have time to exit out of my FundedSeat. And that was 1,600. We didn't even needed that. We needed $1,000. I should have exited right there. So not having my silly take profit missed my exit because I didn't have my take profit. Unbelievable. This is unbelievable. This is so freaking weird. Not having my take profit missed my target. Missed my exit. What a silly thing, guys. At least I'm happy for my blue sky. And I'm also going to be happy about FundedSeat because we're about hitting the target. We have DCA'd at the bottom of the candle. Come on. Just a look. Oh, there you go. $945. Target has been hit. That's an absolute great start, guys. Great start. We're on fire once again. Oh yeah. Ooh. Here we go. LFG. LFG chat. What was that bounce? Well, you have a double bottom here. Nicely supported. Nicely supported. With the fact that there is too many people that wanted the price action to roll over. You know, look at the space we have actually downwards. There's a lot of space here. There's a lot of space downwards. So after the triple top, they thought this is gonna roll over. Really good. Yeah. Had to take profits there. We lost our blue sky evaluations yesterday. And we're going to trade today, guys, our 5th Lucid account. We posted about it. 4 accounts ready for payout. We're not requesting the payout yet. We're waiting for the 5th account to be ready as well. This 5th account is a Lucid Pro. Lucid for the moment is still having that huge promotion, 40% off on Lucid Pro, 30% on Lucid Flex. Good morning, good day. We had a great one so far. This is halfway through for the payout, this one. Let me show you the P&L. So for this account, we were having a $1,200 daily loss limit that I set up. Here's the net P&L column. This is the one you want to see. So by using a daily loss limit of 1,200, we're still profitable with this one, guys. We're targeting 1,000, and we had a 1,200 daily loss limit. We're 2,500 profitable. I'm gonna I'll keep it on 1,100. I'll have this one back. The next one we're going to trade is having a daily loss of 1,500. It's also the maximum drawdown at the moment. Wow. Hope you guys made some money with that. The entry was great. We didn't need that much money because of the consistency, and it was not. Wow. Here is the 5th Lucid account that we're trying to bring for the payout. Lucid Pro is having 40% consistency on the funded stage, and I have to earn the buffer. Let me double check that. 4,600 plus 3,000, 7,600. So let me see the percentage calculator. 40% off of 7,600 is 3,040. I should not cross 3,040 for my highest day on this account you're watching. 3,040. What a weird reaction, guys. This is a little powerful, the previous 5-minute candle. Oh yeah. The previous 5-minute candle we closed is surprisingly powerful here. If we zoom out on the 4 hours, we'll see there is a lot of space for the upside. And you're still in a downtrending channel here. Look at that. Look at the charts, guys. You are heavily dominated by the bears here. They're still on the highs, fully confirmed that you're under the pressure. And the lows do respect basically the lower low and lower highs as well. So it is absolutely mandatory for us, if we want to talk about an exit of this environment, that you obviously got to break the line on the environment. Plus I would say you want to confirm some buying pressure above last week's high, 30,062, although the breakout of the trending line of is going to happen around the 29,700s. That's in the 4 hours. So there is space for the upside. There is enough space here without necessarily having another all-time high condition. Thank you. Strange but profitable. Are you working to pass your 150k static? Thank you. Stay to the plan. Down 400 on each. You gotta take it slow because there's not much drawdown left right now for you. You wanna take it slow. Very important. Every single 200, 150, $300 is very important right now. This algo line, this green algo line, is something that gave us selling pressure reactions. So I am thinking, I am wondering, and I'm not just thinking and wondering without running a trade. I will be running some trades. We're gonna open some shorts. I like the Lucid Pro funded stage. I put limit order for shorts, guys, pretty much everywhere. Let's see the next candle. It could have enough liquidity to fill it up. It's tempting with static. And they have trade evade. They have trade evade. They got everything. Right? So Blue Sky is running on trade evade. You know that not every other prop firm is having trade evade. So we've opened our short from here with an average of the entry 185. Oh yeah. We want to tap take this one. Trade C. Trade seat. No, trade seat. We're trading funded seat. Not trade seat. We're trading funded seat, yes. With FundedSeat, we cashed out $6,000 from FundedSeat flexes. 50k flexes were great for me. 6,000 bucks. Payouts in 4 to 5 hours. 4 to 5 hours. So you want to get right there, Matty, between yesterday's high and today's high. Market's trembling at that level. That's the place you want to go. Everyone, make sure to like the video. We must hit minimum 180 likes. Do not forget about that one. We're out here to make money and learn how to trade, but at the same time, some little celebration at the end. Delivering 300k is not bad. It's not a bad idea. Oh, I like this trade so far. I'm gonna take that limit order out, and my target here, well, down for 143. If we do 2,000 bucks today here, that's what I'm targeting basically for this blue sky. $2,000. Yeah, I've seen the offer. The thing is, a lot of the people do not want to test out and dive into risky situations with the new ones. I'll look into and research a little more and try to have a form of predictability about their future, which is quite hard, guys. You see, we had Alpha Futures, a company that paid out millions and tens of millions, and at some point they said, we don't have money. So it's not just about a history of the company. We used to say, the longer the company stays in the game, the more security we have. Which is not fully valid, because every decision that is made by the executive at some point can trigger a butterfly effect on your business, which slows down in sales, generates a lot of payouts, and is cutting your profits. So you might get in a point not to be able to honor a specific test you did with a new product or stuff like that. Even the ones that have years in the business got mistakes which they're not really paying. Good morning, welcome guys. It's that thing. Executive could decide something today which could be so costful. I am DCA into this short. I've DCA'd, guys. Ha 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 ha. Perfectly on, spot on. So back to the discussion of how business works. A decision that's made today and it's wrong by their executive, a firm that's been online for years and paid out tens of millions. So we're not speaking about something else. We're speaking about something 99% of the people say this cannot go down. This cannot have delays. This cannot have problems. Well, a decision that's made today can influence the company so hard within the next 2 months. The environment is changing. Right, so obviously previous experiences and decisions have nothing to do with the new decision and the new experience. That's one of the things you guys have to keep in mind. How are the funded rules with Blusky? Very comfortable with Blusky, just like very comfortable with FundedSeat. Depends what do you want to trade. With Blusky, there is, let me share with you. So there's two different models here. Two models basically. We have activation fee, model accounts, evaluations with activation for launch, and no activation for Propel. We kind of trade Propel because we have a lot of static drawdown options. It's simple. You pass the evaluation, and this is the way it works on any account. Then you need to earn the buffer. And once you earn the buffer, you get that buffer money you made, that 3,000 you have in the buffer, you get that money, and everything you trade above is daily payouts, every profit, daily payouts, and no consistency. which is absolutely nice. One of the major differences, guys, with Blusky and other firms is that for other firms, you don't have no consistency above the buffer. You don't have daily payouts above the buffer. Kind of, they're keeping the same environment like it was till you reach that buffer and ongoingly, right? But here with Blusky, you have a massive advantage of that. You made the buffer, you get the buffer money you made, and you trade with that under a different environment. Other firms are not changing the environment once you made the buffer. These guys are changing the environment. That's why. Let me drop you the links. Right, so for launch account is, they're not really discounted, the launch, only the first time users and the first time buyer, 50% off Scrembo code there. But the Propel is always discounted, 30% off, Scrembo 30 for the Blusky. Yeah, it's the only company where we have 3 codes. SCREMBODIRECT for the instant funded. I'm going to test out their instant funded at some point. But now I'm trying to find my way around the static accounts. We have not been trading static accounts for probably a year, so I just have to crack the code in the way this thing has to be organized, and then I can nicely run on the tape and start printing. You can have unlimited accounts in the evaluation, unlimited in the buffer, and 3 funded. Because they segregated the buffer with the funded. Other firms did not, but this guy segregated in order for you to have a much, much easier environment. Yes, it's possible, yes. That's possible, yes. That's possible. But you would like to take your payouts. You would like to take your payouts. But it's possible to compound. At the same time, I would say payouts should be priority. Oh yeah. Payouts should be priority. I like this, guys, and I'm gonna put my trailing, guess what, here. We are smart enough to know that when you have a breakup structure, you gotta make sure if market resumes and recovers, it is dangerous for you to hold on your trade because the theory could be rejected. So I am moving. Lovely. Ha ha ha. For FundedSeat, we're looking great too. I put my target for FundedSeat. I don't want to miss out. And we don't need that much money for the Blusky. We actually need this amount. $150 for my target, guys. Come on. We're having a trailing profit. Looking good. Today trading is really functional. And we got in a long, sorry, in a short for our Lucid Pro account. Fresh, our 5th funded Lucid Pro, we got in a short here too. 4 minis. With a target of 151. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Come on, Cliff. This is looking perfect. Perfect. For a bleeding. Break that 163, break that 63, and unleash the pressure. Come on. Moving my trailing for the Blusky right there, 570 secured. We are moving the trailing as we go with a structure. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Why would I leave 570 on the table when it's already here and I can secure it? I got out of my... Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. So we secured with a trailing on both sides. FundedSeat 455 profit. Blusky 1,226. And we also exited on $94 down for my Lucid Pro. Absolutely celebration time, guys. There you go, guys. Once again, for the giveaways, $300,000. You must be signed up. Here's the link. You must be part of our Discord community. You must be subscribed to this channel. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. 8:30 is usually when we start. You see that rejection once again is delivering and doing its job? Oh yeah, we're speaking about the dynamic swing and chart, volume weighted average price. This is so accurate. We are finding daily reactions on it. Double rejection on the 1 minute candle. And here we go, lower. As expected on my short, yet they are hunting me for trailing. Normal. That's normal. Keep in mind, Savius is running 70% off. 70. It's insane. We're still watching this. Slowly but steadily. Market is doing its job. Not a place of longing and shorting. It is undecided the way it behaves. Undecided. You could have a continuation of the slow bleeding. Oh yeah. Just like. You could see a temporary pump like this, generating wicks and candlesticks like that, so. Good morning, Jake. What's up, buddy? Welcome, everyone. Looking at a chat, seeing you here. Welcome, guys. Good morning. Still not ready? Smash her past the account. Stop playing games. You are the fan of smash and pass. You should take lessons from AD. AD passed his 150,000 flex. Trading steadily. AD, tell our community, for how many days have you traded your evaluation? 150,000 Lucid Flex evaluation. For how many days have you traded? That's a good one. That's a good time for trading, Matty. 2 weeks. Look at that. 2 weeks training and evaluation and passing it. I'm gonna short this one. I missed my entry. Oh, really good. My eyes see only green P&L today. $16 days, look at that. I only see green P&L today. So we cannot complain. Yeah, I'm re-shorting everything here. We re-shorted. And we'll be doing the same thing for my FundedSeat. Down for 150s. You guys remember I said 150s? Could be more. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful short entry. Oh, that's a good one. This price action is hitting your trailings quickly and continues in your predicted direction. Look at it. All those wicks are hunting the trailings. So it's not really a moment to go trailing. Lovely. Lovely situation. Press the pedal and squeeze them out. Yes. Press the pedal and squeeze them out, guys. Come on. I like to go for $2,000 on my Blusky 200k static, because then we're having $4,000 tomorrow drawdown. It's static. If we successfully earn 2,000 more, tomorrow we're gonna have $6,000 with the need of only 2,000 to pass the account. I'm still waiting. Waiting for continuation, guys. Waiting for continuation. Opening in 15 minutes. The inefficiency behind the candlestick cannot be left untouched. Before the session starts. Come on, guys. Press the pedal. We gotta squeeze them all. Looks like they're attacking me. I'm putting the stop loss above. Putting the stop loss above. If it goes back there, it's very likely it runs higher. So it makes no sense to continue holding. This is the way I'm putting my stop losses. Always dynamic based on the price action, communicating every single second with us. Good morning, good day. The last two 1-minute candles cannot give us confidence for longs, unless obviously they squeeze some unexpected liquidity. Good day, good morning, good to have you onboarded. I'm holding my breath. I don't want to chicken out of this. Oh, come on, cross that little supply. Stop giving them choice. Cross that little supply here. 157. FundedSeat target is 153. Blusky 151. Come on, do something. I like this one for the moment. Yeah, the pedal has to be pressed. Damn pedal. Barcoding right there. Instead of making a decision, I add it to my short. On my FundedSeat, where I can go bigger sizing, beautiful for the moment. Oh my gosh. Why do you do this? Oh my gosh. Are you hunting? Yes, you do. You are hunting. We got subbed out there. And we got subbed out on the other side too. Unbelievable. Unbelievable solid price action. This green candle appearing basically right at the point where things could massively drop. Market opens in 11 minutes, guys. Once again, so we have the $300,000 giveaways if we are hitting 180 likes. The link is right there to sign up. Got in a little short here for my Blusky. What's up, guys? Driving my way in shorts. Good afternoon, good day, Jonathan. Good job, buddy. I hope you're having a good day, good time. We're fine for the moment. We're profitable. Across the board, overall today, profitable. Not expecting less. And worse. No, no. Looking for seeing some little pullback here, a few points. Few points of pullbacks. Bring it down. Well, green market today. We can still sculpt the other way around. Are they gonna break this pattern? Look at that. We got stopped out for the FundedSeat. We have a daily stop loss. Not an issue. Market's entering in the mud. Anything above 180s and 185 has been a nightmare for the bulls. Oh yeah, bring it back, baby. Bring it back. $204. I'm out a little bit here. So you want to get back there in my circle. You know we've got sharks swimming in that circle. How do you plan having fun there? How do you plan having fun with the sharks? Look at all those wicks for the upside. Yeah, I got it along. I got it along. It looks like it has the fuel to continue. I like this so far. Even for this account. Oh, our target has been almost hit, guys. I'm still leaving this one open a little more. And we hit the target here on the FundedSeat, 1,100. We have to lose some money. Account is paused because of the profits achieved. Alright. 1,100 FundedSeat celebration, guys. Oh yeah. On the fresh account, we got 3 fresh FundedSeat instant funding bolt. I think we're gonna hit the target. Oh, there you go. We've hit the target on the other side too. Celebration time, guys. 1,330 for our Blusky 200k static propel account. We have the theory of trying to re-short and then switched around exactly here because of this, because of that buying pressure. Things have changed in a radical way. Downtrending channel breakout. Possible supply appearing here that has not been confirmed with continuation. We saw the bull stepping in and we've longed it. That's the name of the game. Yeah. Mark is really strong. Look at that. And we're opening in a few minutes. 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes, we're opening. Which feels great. Oh. This is running big numbers. Oh, yeah. Yeah. We managed to break the London high. We're in a comfortable situation here. Our 2 big belly accounts are here. We have longed our 2 big belly accounts exactly where I told you. On that spot, guys. Look at that. 8,000 bucks, but I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get out from both. And buy back once the opening. Oh, beautiful, guys. Celebration time for this one. What a beast. Planning to do 2,000 bucks here. Congratulations. Thank you. We could be diving for the opening. Obviously, the opening involves a big level of... Here's the opening bell, guys. But I will be testing out a short. With just a few contracts, basically, on this account. The market is running hot. I'm testing for another one, DCAing. Beautiful. Bring it a little bit lower. Ready to take some profits here. I'm out here. Beautiful, we made some good money with that. We made some good money with that. Ha ha ha. We have 1,700. Oh, we got in a short for our big belly accounts too. We have a few thousands here profit. We got in a short basically for our, yeah, we touch it, 1,983 for our blue sky. We touch it, guys. And we're 10,000 bucks profit here. I think we can still go lower. 10 minutes short on the opening, 11,000. This is an absolute beast. Keep it going. I like that. I like that. And I will be trailing here. Yeah, I will be trailing at 8,000. I will be trailing at 8,000. I will be trailing at 8,000, guys. 8,000 profit for my trailing. I think that's good, right? Still leaving space for a much bigger possibility. Great, we're out. 15 grand made on the opening, guys. And the opening was 2 minutes ago. We're fully out of this. 15 grand made. And we're not going to stop that easily. We have our 2,000 on blue sky. And that's a lot of joy. That's, oh, look at that candle. I mean, we got basically, what, 80 points? Wow, look at that candle, guys. Oh. Indeed, Maddie, you got this one. You said 204, and then we're dumping. Pump till the opening and dump. So we only had to follow Maddie's indications. You know, I've been trailing profit 8,000. I am probably gonna reshort this. I'm out here. Yeah, we made a little more than 2,000. Maybe we should lose that, right? Let's lose that $55. We're gonna lose by longing it. I'm out. Let's lose that 18 bucks. Yeah, I'm trying to lose this $22. I don't think it's a big deal losing. I'm out. Beautiful. We lost enough. Yeah, we got 2,000 bucks there profit for the day. We could actually go nicely all the way into weekly and daily VWAPs. Those are great targets. Which is why I'm slowly going to short my FundedSeat. Yeah, from higher levels. Look at that aggressive recovery. Oh, what are they up to? Hey, what are you up to here? You're not supposed to be that aggressive with us. Ho, 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 ho. Wow. Let's trade. So we finished with this blue sky 200k static. Yeah, exactly, AD. Don't push it. We finished with this 200k static. We're going to continue trading on our 150k fresh. Got in a short. Stop loss break even. Oh, they're buying this one hard. Stop loss trailing $50 profit. That's a great looking one, guys. This is a great looking one. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. We're out $482 profit. 482. This can go lower. That's right. That's right. This can go lower. But I'm probably going to re-short this in the next candle. Here. Let's go. Let's go for another round. Not really excited about this candle. Oh, it's just, yeah, we made 15 grand in the opening, Jake. 15 grand. That was a good one. 15 grand at the opening. Indeed. It was 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, 60 seconds. Times 2 accounts. Ha ha ha. Times 2 accounts. I'm adding to this short here. I got into DCA, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. Come on. Absolutely lovely. Ha 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 ha. Are we gonna do that 1,000 needed? Come on, guys. Push. Down to 160s. We made $2,500 on my 5th Lucid. Oh, there you go. We touched the target there. Oh my gosh. We're making money on all the tabs. Look at that. Look at that one, guys. Forget about the current P&L. What's happening? Look at the account on the right side. 2,518. The 5th Lucid funded. It's a Lucid Pro. We're going to stop trading here on this one. This is the first day. We have 4 accounts ready. The other 4 are ready for the payout. I posted about it in my Discord. Yeah. Yeah. What do you guys think about crossing the 100s all the way back to 29,000? I will do that. All the way back to 29,000 with this trades. Not touching them. I would do that. If it won't break, I got things to break. I got things to break. Exactly. That's right, Fred. Like an open book. Like an open book. So we still have one more blue sky to trade. 2,000 made on the 200k static, 1,000 made on the 150k static. Now the third one, the last evaluation we have. Probably I'm going to test out opening some shorts from here. Yeah. You guys think we're not breaking that level? Look at this. The algo is there and it's holding the line. 135, nasty. You know, this needs a lot of time to unleash. Yeah. Didn't break to lower. The question is, yet or is it finalized? Because I'm still holding on my shorts pretty much everywhere, guys. Pretty much everywhere holding on to my shorts. We haven't used the trailing here for my Lucid. Look at that. They would have touched me. They would have touched me on that trailing. Remember, if we're doing 20-30 grand in this trade, remember, they would have wiped me out with that trailing. A previous wick, look at that, would have touched me, right? If I would have trailed stop loss break even, the previous candle, the green one, look at that, would have touched me, guys. Oh, we're about to hit the target here. We're about to hit the damn target of $1,000. I am trailing here. Oh yeah, beautiful. I am trailing here. 500 secured. I will be trailing $530 secured. We're gonna have 3 out of 3 profitable. Good morning, good day. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. 180 likes minimum for the giveaways. Keep that in mind. We touched the trailing $500. I'm perfectly fine with that. Perfectly fine with that. We gotta hit 180 likes. Remember that. $521. You know, that's a lot of money for an account that has a $1,000 drawdown, right? It's an increase of the drawdown with 50%. Good job, Maddie. Good job, guys. Here we are. The good part about watching me trading these situations is you get to your target, you still want to see trades running around, you watch Scrembo doing the trades and you lock out. Get to your targets, lock yourselves out, and watch me trading, guys. Stop trading for today. You made enough money. Get out and enjoy. You can chill, watch the stream, and not get tilted. Forget about the extra $100. You could, because it's just could earn, right? Now, keep that money you made. The day is very important to be green. I like this $25,000 profit for today. I like it. I'm going for bigger numbers, guys, today. I'm not getting out of this. I want to get down to 29,000 and still having my 10 minis from 176. Exactly. Jake, what about plus 1,100 compared to that email talking you about a drawdown? Are you familiar with that emails? Speaking out for the drawdown. Oh yeah. I like this, guys. I like this. 4 accounts on Lucid are ready for the payout. Working towards the 5th, we made 2,500 in the first day for the 5th. You don't have to. You only look at the emails with the payouts. But do you find those emails in your inbox, or you're not really finding them often? Do you get to see those emails often, the payout ones? Yeah, soft breach. How you do so? Look at that. Come on. Bleed. Bleed. We got in a short. And a new short basically for our blue sky. Keep on bleeding, buddy. 9 micros. Where's 12 ADC? He didn't reach out. He's not reaching out on chat. He's just copy trading us. But he's not saying anything in chat. 12 ACDC is sleeping around making money without reaching out on chat. Well, when you have 40% off on Lucid Pro, 1 day pass, it creates a type of trading, right? 1 day passes or 1 day passes. He's making money for the new car. He's not writing anything in the chat, but he's listening and watching this by doing copy trading. And then he comes out and says, well, I traded alone. You haven't seen me in the chat. I was not there. Traded alone. This is what I reached. Oh. They're going a little angry here. They're going a little angry here. That's a big one. I did wanted to see a continuation, which is certainly something that we're not seeing yet. Yeah, I sold partially basically from Blue Sky. I had to do it, guys. And I'm going to put a stop loss break even on my Lucid accounts. Oh, yeah. In case they want to take it to the moon, we don't want to lose. Well, you never know with Trump. There's no day without tweets. To the moon we go. That last 5-minute candle is brutal. Thank you, by the way, for joining, guys. Appreciate it. And we got trailed out. We got trailed out. We made like $600 or something like that. Better safe than sorry, I can tell you. The market comes back. So they just run for my trailing, guys, and it's coming down. Unbelievable. Unbelievable nasty. Oh, yeah. If this is having strength here, we could see a nice runner for the 240s, I can tell you. That's why I got into longs. Let's go, guys. Come on. Let's go. Stop coming back for the liquidity. We're fully set up here. Come on, squeeze. Squeeze. 198. For my targets here, 198. Keep it tight. Beautiful buying pressure. Keep it tight here. Look at that. Oh. What an excitement. No, I didn't. I didn't. It was for a very, very short period of time. These guys are great from Lucid. The best guys. The best out of the best. Uncomparable. Nothing like this. Oh, so here we go. We're printing. Damn bulls getting stuck here. Damn bulls getting stuck here. Congratulations, Matty. Good job. You see, trading hits different when we're trading as a community. It could break, but I'm still having a comfortable situation here. we're close to getting subbed out. We're close to getting subbed down. If it's not reacting here and it goes lower, it's the last man standing. We got subbed out for this one. So 2 evaluations managed to hit the target today. 1 is gone. On Blue Sky. You gotta lose in order to make some money. Yeah. A FundedSeat 953 target is touched here. 1,000 made there. 1,000 here. This account is pretty good in FundedSeat. It actually needs like 2 more days. 3. 2,500 more. Yeah. VWAP is here. Daily VWAP on 75. So if we just wick on 75, I don't think that's a problem. Our Lucid accounts are sitting like that. Remember, guys, we must hit let me tell you how many minutes do we have. 20 minutes. You want to watch for the time, guys. 20 minutes. And the timer ends for the giveaways. 20 minutes. Must hit 180 likes. It's the target basically for the giveaways. If we don't hit it, we're not doing 300,000. We're doing a lot less. Just like yesterday. I'll be right back in 2 minutes. Keep it pumping. Yeah. You see how strong it is? Look at that. Keep it pumping, guys. I'm back in 2 minutes. Best of luck, guys. Keep it pumping. What a roller coaster. Look at that. Oh, oh, oh. 2 minutes ago, we were nicely heading towards a juicy, profitable trade. This is looking different. Oh yeah, this is looking different. We couldn't break out at yesterday's high. You have to watch out, guys. There is a very strong supply located on the green line. 192 stands for yesterday high. It has numerous heavy rejections. Look at that. But I am considering the possibility for that daily VWAP 79 to give us something interesting. No, it's the time. We touched a VWAP now. Let's see what do we get, guys. Yes, it's 150k. It's written there. Minimum account balance. You see it there. 150k Lucid Flex. These are 150k flexes. We got 2 of this. Well, you see the price action acts the very moment you say it's rolling over, reverses. Look at that. This green candle appears at the very limit. It's kind of saved, right? On purpose. The very moment you say this is rolling over and doing a cliff, green candle appears, smashes through. Oh, oh. We've been like this for the past some of the minutes. Roller coaster. Yeah, look at that. A huge red candle here. Not really helping us. Not really. But you gotta stick around. Because this could be a nasty price action. So for the 150,000 Lucid Flex funded account, the trailing stops following you when you have earned your max loss in profits. Max loss is 4,500. When you have earned that in profits, the max loss limit is going to stop, no longer trails at original balance plus 100 bucks. Or the second situation when it stops is when you request a payout. So these are the two situations when it stops. We have an interesting conjunction here, 200 EMA and the daily weave up. Interesting, guys. So basically for 5-minute candles, we had quite a few rejections and denials of the price action going to this levels. Yeah, they kept pushing, right? So from the other side, you see how they were pressuring and pressuring. We got to be down with this. 13 grand. Watching closely. 10 more minutes to go for the likes, guys. 10 more minutes to go. We gotta hit minimum 180 likes. 10 more minutes to go, remember. Breaks, it breaks. Beautiful. Here's missing. He's quite absent for the summer. Rarely joining. Rarely joining. I'm not panicking here. Exactly. He is having a jet lag. Got to be on the World Cup. There she goes for the upside. Scrembo is not shitting pants. No. We're holding. Otherwise, we wouldn't have this balance. A good job. What was the odd? Was it 2.0? Oh, falling asleep today, guys. I don't know what's happening with the green tea. Not sure. I guess I had the wrong receipt today. Recipe. Not received. I said received. Oh. Recipe, look at that. Come on. Exactly, Jake. It's just about numbers, right? A game of numbers. Seven minutes to go. We gotta hit our target. We're shy by 11 likes. Made good money on our funded seat, so I could actually attack a payout for funded seat this week on this account. Look at that reaction, guys. Hopefully you're not missing out. Beautiful reaction. Like and subscribe. It's a game of numbers. Oh yeah, keep it running. 6 more needed. We got plenty of time. Sit back and watch how this is gonna rip, guys. Touching my target, it's gonna be another 15 grand profit there. So I'll be sitting if we touch the target on 30 grand. Yeah. Good morning, good day. The 5-minute closing we had is really powerful, delivering and engulfing, guys. So if the price action is allowed to be organic and natural, this is probably having strength for a continuation on the upside. That yesterday high is driving me nuts. 192. But look at the dump we're having. Oh my god. What's wrong with this? Wow. Look at that. Is he posting again? What is he tweeting? What is he tweeting, guys? Oh gosh. Yeah. This is so nasty. This 5-minute candle right now is something you would not expect by even having 50 years of trading. What is he tweeting about? War? Economy? Oil prices? Damn. This is so nasty, guys. So nasty they are doing. You're not doing that 5-minute candle out of nowhere. Beautiful, guys. Giveaway starts in 4 minutes, just for you to know we touched the likes needed. Congratulations. Take that phone and hide it. Ha ha ha. Throw that in the Atlantic. Put it in a burger. What is he having for breakfast, guys? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, oh. Oh my gosh. He's having tweets for breakfast. 3 minutes to go and the giveaways are starting. If they reverse this, you better see how. Look at that nasty price action. They are about to do the nastiest thing. Yeah. Well, he's enjoying that. He's making money off this. You reach out in the media and see the news. They made a ton of money on cryptos. And we had a massive bear market in cryptos. Well, Nasdaq was doing all-time high daily. Cryptos were in a bear market. Look at that. Oh my gosh, what a candle. Look at that, guys. Oh. This should give me, with all that buying pressure and bullishness there, I should have a new high. So I'm not selling before we touch and manage to do a new high. Break that 192. Stop getting silly about 192. Give me 246. Yeah, my target here is set up for 234. I'm good with that. You see, the fake movements got to be denied. Staying at a picture. Celebration moment. He wanted to jump. He wanted to celebrate. He got to be called out by Infantino. I allowed them to celebrate. But you see, politicians have a different approach. Monetizing success of others. Monetizing. But they don't do the same thing with the failures. No. Those are externalized. Failures externalize. Successes monetized. Building branding by association. You stay next to a successful guy. People somehow confuse you. Believe you're the same success just like that. You know, they're selling photos. If you want to have a photo with the celebrities, you pay 20 grand, 50 grand, 200 grand, this kind of things. Right? 1 million. Oh, let's go. All right, time for the giveaways, fellas. Time to run the show. You know, it looks better right now compared to what we were around the 70s. It looks better. So I can enjoy the giveaways with you. And be relaxed. Made a ton on FundedSeat. Blusky out of 3 accounts. 1 is gone. Evaluations all the 3 first day. The other 2 accounts hit the target of the day. And I'm quite happy because we have doubled our drawdown. So tomorrow we're trading with double drawdown, considering it's static. Every amount of money we're producing is also extra drawdown. And here we go. We made for our fresh, you gotta see this, for our fresh Lucid Pro first day funded stage, the 5th account, we have 2,969. So I'm targeting basically max payout, because the other 4 accounts that are funded are ready for the payout. You guys can see that I posted about it with all the details on our Discord. There you go. I like this. You are eligible to request a payout. I like that message. I like that green color. So nice and comfortable. Good job everyone. So here we are. Nasty price action is making a way around, but we have other way more important things to deal with, such as the ducks, turtles, and what else? Numbers and wheels plus formula. You gotta fill up the form. You don't want to win and not sign up for the giveaway, don't you? Do you? Alright guys, so this is the place we're gonna run the show. We touched the likes, congratulations for that. Zebras and turtles. So you gotta like the video. This is how you participate. be subscribed to this YouTube channel. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time, usually starting on 8:30. With great trading, a lovely and powerful community with a lot of insights and educational materials. And at the end, usually we do the giveaways. So, you got to fill up the form, which means you're signing up for participation. Here you go, guys. That's the form. I'll give you 10 seconds. And we have $300,000. So the first giveaway will be 3 accounts of $50,000 from Blusky. We have the Blusky video. Which link of the video? Yeah, I think so. If you guys are not aware, we've got basically earnings. I'll keep this one on board with the dates, with everything. Before the opening, after the close, you have all the details there, guys. Most anticipated earnings releases for the July 20th week, right? So for this week. You'll have this on the stream, so you will be able to rewatch this. Pause and make a nice screenshot. Beautiful. So, we're green P&L again. Let me show you guys. We're green P&L, 18 grand profit. We were breaking even a few minutes ago. But you see, not shitting your pants is very important. Yeah. Layoffs. Layoffs back and forth. Market's getting heavy about. Not an easy time. Disruptions pretty much everywhere. So, get ready. You guys have to guess the numbers. You know the game. Only a single guess per person. Do not guess multiple numbers. And do not spam. Do not. We're going to have a 00, single 7, 88. Let me know your best choice. Start right now. Here we go. We had a very good day, guys, in trading. Yesterday was a disaster. We lost 2 evaluations on Blusky. We lost an instant funding on FundedSeat. On Lucid, it was not bad yesterday. We had 2 Lucid Pro of 150,000 evils. We passed one, the other one has been lost, but a 50% pass rate is good. 50% pass rate is top notch. And that's the one we made money today, 2,900. Keep them coming. Stop right there. No more guesses, it's over. Stop right there. 200s on the Nasdaq. How much do we have, guys? $10,000. We're up 25 on the day. Keep it running. There's still space. And I'm hungry. No duck races for you. Oh, yeah. You don't have the number 2 on the wheel. I'll make sure to put it over there. I'll make sure to have the number 2 next time. 210 on the Nasdaq. We have a take profit a little higher. 234 take profit, guys, for me. 234. I'm hungry, but that's going to be number 8 for the winners. Congratulations. 234 for my exit. I'm greedy. Congratulations for the winners. Nah, 12AC said he's going to be here every single day. He's only once every 10 days, so forget about 12AC DC. He's not keeping up his words. Where are we? We're gonna have a ton of winners. Ton of winners. 81, 30 seconds competition time, but listen up. Listen up the way we're gonna reward you. Listen up. The first one plus third plus fifth are the winners of these 3 accounts. Remember, guys, the first, the third, and the fifth are the winners of these 3 accounts. Remember, if you come out the second, you're the worst place possible. You come out the fourth, that's the same. So who's gonna be the second and the fourth? Ken Nils looks like dominating. Oh, Ken Nils dominating. Congratulations, Ken Nils is the first. Alien Co. You got to be second, but you got to be kidding me. Ruta Sculper the third. SDFU. And Fernanda. Congratulations. So winners are Ken Nils, Ruta Sculper, and Fernanda. Sorry for the other 2 guys missing out big time by milliseconds. So we're gonna find out if you guys completed a form. Ken Nils. Yes, congratulations. Ruta Sculper. Did you? Yes, congratulations. And Fernanda. Yes, congratulations. Fernanda is here. Good job, guys. Good job. Beautiful. Continuing. Oh, look at that. Look at that here. I like this P&L so far. I might just get out 5 contracts. Trust me. Yeah, I sold 5 contracts. Let me do that. And I'll leave the rest of it open. Beautiful. So we closed half of our position. Great. Back and continuing. Time for the second giveaway. Oh. This is so close to the 30s. Yeah. I have double checked. Oh, where's the fireworks? Good touch with that one. Here's the fireworks, guys. Let's respect the tradition. Oh. Good. So for second giveaway, we're having a ton. Oh, yeah. Second giveaway, we're having a ton. First, top 1 futures, 25,000. Instant funding. End of the day. Drawdown. This is really valuable. A ton. Second will be 25,000 flex. And third will be 50k YRM. We still have them, we give them out, but we do not suggest you to buy YRM. You guys know that. We've been preaching it for weeks. No buying. If it's free, but no buying. No. Instant funding top 1. So we're sharing 100 grand here. It's good for trading on. Yeah. Indeed, that's right, Jonathan. That's right. So watch out, we're putting the numbers. So we are gonna have 2, 7, and a single 8. 2277 single 8. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. You obviously YOLO and you full port. You got used to do some paper trading. The trade is still active. We're having a few points and we're hitting the target, guys. Continue guessing. Continue guessing. A few more points and we're hitting the target. Look at that. All right, stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Oh yeah, stop right there. Shuffle and we're good to go. Yeah, I fully sold here, guys. 220. I sold on 220. Fully sold. 220. I don't want to see a rejection here. Markets turning back and missing out on a lot of profits. Not worth it. 220 sold it all. Is that going to be number 2? Oh. Breaks. Breaks for this number 2. Breaks. Oh no. Oh. And 234. 234 on nasty Nasdaq. Look at that. We were right about 234, 30. We were going up to 36, so my target would have been touched there, guys. But it's still fine. Congratulations for the winners. On number 2, we have $28,000 profit here. And we're happy about it. So close for 7, right? It worked. Jake is missing. Jake is missing. So we got him. Oh, you're here. We got you number 2, and I thought you were missing. 70 winners. Look at that. 70. 30 seconds competition time, but listen, guys, the way we're going to distribute the accounts. We're going to give it like this. So, 10th ranked, plus 25th, and plus 50. These are the guys that will receive the accounts. 10, 25th, and 50. Rank 10, 25th, and 50. You gotta be 10, 25, 50, or 50. So if you see your name here leading and dominating, oh, Herman, Alex Herman, you actually won the wrong race. Cabrera is number 10, guys. Celebration for Cabrera. Look at that. How lucky are you? Cabrera, number 10, congratulations. A 25,000 tap on futures, instant funding, end of the day drawdown is going to your pocket. Who is? Scrembo is here, by the way. Scrembo is here, by the way. And I'm not saying Badger above. Oh, 25th is Girani winner. Girani, you got this one. It's a 25,000. Yeah, that's 25,000 funded seed. And 50 is Doc Waffles. You got this, Waffles. Let me verify. Did you fill the form, guys? Where is it? Waffles, are you here? Yes, congratulations. You're with the wire rim. Girani. You got a good one, Girani. Yes, 25,000 funded seed flex. Oh, look at an AD on 26. AD, you gotta see your name. You're so close. PG, Badger 28. Jake? Yeah, 54th. And then Cabrera. Yes, congratulations. Which account is the best from Blue Sky? So Propel, Girani, we're not allowed to exchange unless the person wants it. Unless the person wants it. We can't change. We cannot do it. So, which is the best account from Blue Sky? Propel accounts. 50,000 is great if you like the end of the day trailing, but then you have the static accounts. Remember, with Blue Sky, you gotta use the link to sign up. And we have 3 different codes. Scrembo, Scrembo 30, and Scrembo Direct. Depends which accounts do you need. I like the static accounts from Propel, because there are no activation fees, basically. The launch model has activation fee. I don't like that. So let's go for the last giveaway, guys. Yeah, launch is having activation fee. It's cheaper on the front end. Indeed, you don't spend that much on the front end, but it's only a one-time discount, 50% off on your first time purchase. Then launch is not discounted. It's not. So, listen up, guys. The last giveaway. Let's do a pool. Start a pool. Lucid. Which one do you want, guys? Pro or the Flex? I'm starting a pool. Let me know your votes. Let me know your votes. Vote in the chat, everyone. We have a pool. Which one do you want? 50,000. You want Pro, Flex, or we don't want anything? Tell me. Once we have 100 people voting, we're stopping this. Pro or Flex? Or you don't want anything? The ones going with don't want anything will not receive anything, right? I mean, absolutely normal. Will not receive anything. Alright, so we've got more than 100 votes. And the winner is the Pro. Oh, look at that. But we actually have... no, it's not the Pro. Pro and the Flex is at the same point. 48%. 48. So you guys didn't decide it. And you leave me to decide. We're going to do this way, guys. Listen up. We're going to do this way. We're going to put them on the wheel. So listen up, listen up, listen up. Listen up. Wait for the numbers. Wait for the numbers and watch out. The zeros will stand for Pro. Right? And the double 2 will stand for Flex. Right? So you go about it. You can start right now. Let me know your best choice. It's 0 or number 2. 0 or number 2. Extremely small chances for a tie. Extremely small odds. If 0 comes, we take the Pro. If number 2 comes, we take the Flex. 50,000 on both sides. And someone said we don't want anything, and we're gonna track that and obviously make sure we are delivering on the needs of people. You want to satisfy requirements, don't you? You like it, right? Alright, so stop right there. No more guesses. No more guesses. It's over. Shuffle. And here we go. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck right there. I think that's the 0 with a Pro. Congratulations for the winners. It is 0 with the Pro. It is 0 with the Pro. David Real-Time Trader is going with number 1, guys. It's the 0 with the pro. It's the 0. Haha. Good job. Oh yeah. 77 winners. You know who's receiving? Let me tell you guys. Let me tell you honestly. We got 79 totally competing for 30 seconds. I'll tell you who's receiving this one. The last ranked. The last ranked is receiving. Last. Stop speeding up, guys. We're rewarding laziness, as you know. We're rewarding laziness. Last one is winning the account. You don't want to see your name. The last one. You don't want to see your name. SBB. You're winning the wrong race, buddy. Oh, look at that. You guys are not the last ones. Oh, yeah. I'll move like that. So I'm gonna quickly scroll. Quickly. 1, 2, 3. ADN X7. Look at that. ADN X7. With Kim right next to him. ADN, did you fill out the form? ADN. Yes. ADN X7 is here. Congratulations. Congratulations. If you're here, you gotta respond in the next 5 seconds. How much is 2 plus 2? Tell us quickly. We're verifying, double checking you're not a bot. 2 plus 2. Tell us quickly. We're verifying you're not a bot. Oh my gosh, having a good time. Thank you guys, thank you. Well, we had a good trading day. I think way better, way stronger than just a good trading day. $28,000 sitting around here on our big belly accounts. We made money pretty much on all the accounts that are meaningful. So I'm having 4 accounts ready to request a payout on Lucid. I'm continuing for the 5th. We had a great day. And I think, yeah, we keep in touch, guys, in Discord. All the links for pretty much everything. You can have them on Discord. You can have them in our YouTube videos. You can have them on descriptions. Have a good day, guys. Thank you once again. See you on Discord. See you tomorrow. Peace. All the love out there.